If you are tired of entering the same password every single time you open an important document, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently remove the password from a PDF on your iPhone so you can access it instantly. Let's get started. First, go to the App Store and download Systweak PDF Editor and Scanner app on your iPhone. This app is available on both Android and iPhone. The app is completely free and works offline, so you don't have to worry about your personal data. Open the app. On the home screen, tap on PDF Tools at the bottom. Now select Security option. Tap on Open Document and select the password protected PDF file from your iPhone storage. The app will ask you to enter the current password of the PDF. Simply type the password, type it again, and tap on Done. Now turn off the toggle for the option Password to open the document. Tap on Share and save the PDF file in your device. Your PDF is now password free, which means you can open it anytime without entering the password again. Apart from removing passwords, this app comes with many useful PDF tools. You can edit PDFs, merge files, scan documents, add your signature, compress large PDF files, and do a lot more directly from your iPhone. So if you regularly work with PDFs, this app can make your work much easier and save you a lot of time. So that's it. Try it out and let us know in the comments what other PDF tasks do you find most difficult on your iPhone. Also do like and subscribe to the channel for more such helpful tech tips.